Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your torque. On your very front compartment here, you're going to have your 12-volt battery as well as your generator. You're going to have two breakers here, right past the wires there. You got to have them in the on position to power up your unit. Start them in the off position. Push on prime for 5 seconds. Push start for 5 seconds. If they don't start, repeat your process. Make sure you put the lid back on so it don't overheat. Right to the right here, you're going to have a toggle switch. That toggle switch is going to control the white lights on the front cap. Right below, you're going to have leveling control. To bring a green light here to show indicator it has power, you got to push up and down at the exact same time. Now the control panel has power. Up and down are going to control the front legs here by themselves. Hit auto level, of course, is going to auto level your unit. Hitch height, that's going to bring the unit to the location that you had right before you hit auto level. You gotta bring all the rear jacks up, bring the front end up to that height. Retract all is gonna bring all the jacks up. Coming to the driver's side, you got two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. The regulator is gonna be on the passenger side with the other tank. It's gonna be in the exact same front compartment here. Big pass-through area. If that LED light ever goes red on that control panel up there, it's going to tell you what's going on right here in the digital side. Right above there, you're going to see the little cheat sheet for that leveling that I showed you up front. This is the digital side. 30 to 50 amp adapter, 30 to 15 amp adapter, as well as a sewer hose. Water inlet is going to be here. You'll be able to choose if you want to fill your tank or if you want to use city fixtures. Now, if you want to use the water after you fill your tank, you got to go to dry camping. Winterization is pointed below. Outdoor shower, that's going to be hot and cold there. Black tank flush, just know, have your valves open and connected to the ground before you add more water. If your black tank is full and you add more water without opening those valves, you're going to have a big problem inside. So let's go ahead and make sure those valves are open. Your valves are going to be over here. Connection's going to be right underneath the slide out there. Right to the right, you're going to have your furnace exhaust. You're going to have 4 inlets for cable, 1 inlet for satellite. Coming to the rear of these axles on the driver's side here, you're going to have the back bathroom hookup, the black back bathroom black tank flush here. Your fuel nozzle switch, the pump to turn it on. This fuel port's going to fuel both the generator and your auxiliary nozzle inside this compartment. Just know if you're filling 4-wheelers and quads up all day, you're gonna want to get more fuel for the generator later. If you decide to use that generator later, you have a 50 amp hookup here. Come to the very back, you got the back porch with the rear awning, with the porch gates going around. We'll show inside. The rear door's gonna be accessing your garage. Entertainment center here in between the doors. You're gonna have a TV as well as the LED light switch that will turn on the lights above the TV. Just know the refrigerator and the TV are not going to work unless you hook to shore power. Outdoor stove. Right in front of this door, you're going to have a water heater. Inside the pass-through here, you're going to have a water heater bypass, battery disconnect. Your other 30-pound LP tank. Regulator's got to be right there, pointed to the front. As done there, you'll be using this tank right here. Pointed to the rear, you're going to use the driver's side tank. Outdoor entertainment with the speakers. Those are going to be controlled from the inside radio. Let's go ahead and go inside your unit. So right when you walk inside your unit, right in front of the stairs here, you won't be able to access this main panel. All your controls, this slide has to be open here. So to open this slide, this will be the first slide open and the last slide shut. That's going to be the control right when you walk in the door, right to your right above your head. That's going to control that slide. Now you come over to the main panel, you're going to have your bedroom slides. Now you got one for the actual bed, then you have one for the actual framing. Just make sure when you're operating this slide, the bathroom door is shut and the bedroom door is open as shown. You have any switch not labeled is going to be lights. You can start your generator from inside your unit. Same concept. Push, hold, and prime for 5 seconds. Push and hold, start for 5 seconds. You'll be able to show your levels here. These are all buttons, so you can just push and hold. You have your water pump, gas side, electric side for your water heater. Awning controls here. Let's go ahead and start from the master bedroom. Master bedroom, right when you walk in, it's going to have a light switch right to the right. You're going to have nice cabinet there, nice closet spacing. Your TV will be, hookups are inside the right above your washer hookups. It'll have a special slide here that will slide your TV out. Okay, now everything else is pretty self-explanatory. You got a light switch right above the bed there to control the lights above the head. Bathroom's pretty self-explanatory. You got a GFI breaker right to the right of the sink. Light switch to the right here. This is your closet or your hallway door. You can access this bathroom from the master or hallway. Going back into the hallway, you're going to find thermostats throughout your unit. The mode button is going to control the different AC, fan, heat, and then up and down, of course, is going to adjust your temp. In your main living area, you're going to have individual tap lights. You're going to see these throughout your unit. These are going to be buttoned in the dead center. You have your slide out here. This slide out is slide out light controlled right to the right there. Keys are around your sink there. Inside the kitchen, you're gonna have individual tap lights again. Your radio here, you have a zone A and B in the bottom right corner. That will control outside speakers as well as inside speakers. The lights up above the microwave are controlled by the two switches here. Microwave's gonna be best indicator if you have short power. It's gonna be on and working if you at least have 30 amps. Stove top, you're just gonna turn the knob over the flame. Use your igniter on the left side. Light switch to the very top, just gonna turn on the lights on the knobs. All the way down is gonna turn the lights on in the oven and the knobs. Go ahead and go inside your garage area. Garage area, you're gonna have individual tap lights above your head, as well as the light in the bathroom's gonna be right to the left. You're gonna have the level control to the left. And right when you walk in here, you're gonna find right above your head a whole bunch of switches. Again, anything not labeled lights. So these are all outside lights. Fan control, that's gonna control the fan right above your head. Awning, that's gonna be that rear awning. Bed lift control, you gotta have the bed. The bed's not on a chain, so you gotta use the couch to guide down that bed. Now, right now that bed's in the upright position and in the locked position for travel. Now there is pins that you'll see on the other side of the rail. You'll see a little, almost like a keychain. You'll pull each pin. There's one at each corner with the couch up. And then you'll use this couch to guide it down. Now that bed's gonna stop on the pegs inside the track system. These are adjustable. Just know adjust one, adjust all. During transport, have it in the upright position because that bed will bounce every bump you hit if it's not in the locked position. So just make sure it's all the way up. Even if you don't put the pins back in, have the bed all the way, or the couch all the way up to hold it there. Right below on the floor, you're gonna have 50 amp cord. Nice loft area up above. Alright, that's gonna complete our video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for choosing Lakeshore.